So I chose energised and inspired today. So I chose energised because I think it was one of Lottie's energy running the workshop, but also just meeting people who have also wanted to deliberately be here to talk about emotions in the workplace was just super inspiring and energising, so kind of answered both there. My favourite part was probably the little comments from Lottie as we worked through some of the practical exercises. Like, it's a little bit of a snapshot into why these exercises are so valuable, even though you feel them in your heart and gut and your judgment. Actually hearing some of the reasoning behind that. For example, our nervous systems are all connected. It was just really awesome to learn. Something that really surprised me today was how much every single minute of being here I learnt something. I thought, oh wow, 9 till 1, how am I going to pay attention that long? I was so engaged, and I think everyone around the room was engaged as well, and that just fed into the energy. I would absolutely recommend this workshop to people. I'm going to go back to work and recommend it to people I work with. I think that getting the practical experience as well as meeting different people from different organisations and hearing the different uses of the cards was absolutely amazing.